Student earns 82% on her first test. How many consecutive 100% test score does she need to bring her average up to 95? Okay, so on her first test, she gets 82%. Okay, 82%. And then the question is, how many numbers of 100% tests does she need so that when you average them out, which means there's actually n plus 1 test, her new grade is 95%. That's the translation of the sentence into equation, and we have a rational, right? So we have 0.82 plus n over n plus 1 is equal to 0.95. 0.82 plus n equals, if you multiply that to the other side, 0.95 n plus 0.95. So if you subtract both sides by that, you get 0.05 n, and then subtract this on the other side, you get 0.13. So n is, right, if you multiply both sides by 100, you get 5 and 13, so n is equal to 13 over 5. So I get 2.6, which means with 2, we won't get to 95. With 3, we will go a little bit over 95. But in real life, you can write a half of a test. So you need 3 tests. 100% mark of 3 tests.